Okay, so in previous lecture we have seen about the sign, magnitude and unsigned number, sign and unsigned number. So in case of sign number, the MSB bit is reserved to represent sign and remaining bits are used to represent the magnitude. Okay, suppose here 4-bit number we have to represent and suppose 7 we have to represent. So if 7 is plus 7, then how many bits are required? 7 is represented by 111. Okay, so only 3 bits are required. But if you want to write in 4-bit number, then your MSB bit should represent the sign of your number. And if sign is plus, means what? Your MSB bit is 1. If you want to represent minus sign, minus 7, then instead of this 0, 1 should be there, as this MSB bit represents sign, and if sign 7 is minus 7, then this 1 is represented for negative number. Okay, so this is the minus sign, minus 7 representation 4-bit binary number. Okay, so here we'll see the next point, that is addition of sign magnitude. Before this, you should know the arithmetic operation or the rules of addition, subtraction. We'll see, suppose 2 bits are there, A, B, and your output is what? A plus B. Arithmetic, rules of arithmetic, if A and B both are equal to 0, 0, then 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. We get sum is 1 and we get sometimes carry. Okay, and if 1, 0 is there, means A is 1 and B is 0, then also you get sum 1. And in case of both are 1, 1, means A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1 also, then 1 plus 1 will get sum is 0 and will get carry here. Okay, and what about the remaining case? In the remaining case, we are not getting carry. So this is the truth table of sum or arithmetic rules. Okay, now similarly we'll see the truth table of subtraction. So A minus 1 if you want to perform. Okay, so instead of this, if you want to perform A minus B, so suppose A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, then 0 minus 0, 0, and here borrow is generated. Instead of carry, in case of subtraction, borrow is generated. So here borrow is not generated in case of the first, that is 0, 0. If A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then 0 minus 1 will get subtraction 1 and we get borrow is equal to 1. Similarly, 1 minus 0, subtraction 1, borrow is 0. And 1 minus 1, subtraction is also 0 and borrow is also 0. So, just remember these rules are very much important in case of arithmetic addition and subtraction. Okay, in binary numbers. So, only borrow is generated in case of A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. Okay, and what about remaining case? All the remaining cases borrow is equal to 0. Okay, so now we'll see the addition of sign magnitude. So suppose we'll take one example here. If A is equal to 7 plus 7, sign magnitude means what? Your number should be sign, means whether it can be plus or minus. So A is equal to 7 and B is equal to plus 12. Suppose both numbers are positive, then how will you represent this 7? Suppose you want to represent in 8-bit numbers, because your second number is 12. It is not fit in 4-bit number. Okay, as we have to use sign bit, that is magnitude bit should be reserved for sign. Okay, so here we have to use 8-bit number. So 0, 0, 0, 0 and 7 can be represented by 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so this is the magnitude or the binary equivalent, 8-bit binary equivalent of plus 7. After that, if you want to represent 12, how to represent 12? Can anyone tell me? Yes, what is the binary equivalent of 12? 12 means what?
1100.
Very good. 8 plus 4. 8 plus means what? Here every time, as I told in previous lecture, that is 1, 2, 4 and 8. Every time you have to remember this weightage of each bit of binary number. last LSB bit should have weight 1, the next bit should have weight 2, the next bit should have weight 4 and 8. Okay, so here 8 plus 1 is equal to 12, so only these two places 1 should be there, and for remaining cases 0 0 should be there. Okay, so this is the representation of 12 unsigned magnitude. 12 is this, but here we want to represent in sign magnitude, and sign is plus. So again this MSB bit is used to represent sign. As the sign is plus, we need to write down here 0, and if sign is equal to minus, means negative number is there, so instead of this 0 we need to write down 1 here. Understood? So here 0 0 0 0 and after that 1 1 0 0 like this. Okay, and then just use addition rules. So 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0, addition is 0, and here borrow is generated, you can place here, and then this carry is generated, so add that carry into 1, that is 1 plus 1 0, and carry is generated, it is shifted to the next nibble. Nibble means what? Group of 4-bit binary number is called as nibble. So this is first nibble, LSB nibble, and this is the second one. So 0 plus 1 1, and remaining bits are equal to 0. So this is the addition of two sign magnitude numbers. Okay, so just write down this example. Now we'll see if one of the number is negative, then what will happen? If 7 is negative and 12 is positive. Okay, so how will you represent this? Instead of this, first of all, this is the magnitude of 7. This is the magnitude of 7, but here you need to write down 7 like this, minus 7. So instead of this 0, we need to write down 1 here. Okay, but for addition, minus 7 plus 12. The operation is plus, but actually the subtraction is performed, right? So here, instead of this, no means what? It is not sufficient that just replace 0 by 1. You need to just find out 2's complement of 7 first to get negative number, and then only you can add that 2's complement of 7 into plus 12 to get the final answer. Okay, so here we can see this is the minus 7, but we need to find out 2's complement of 7. Here, how to find 2's complement of 7? The direct method we are going to use here. In the direct method, this is your number. Start with LSB bit. This is the LSB bit of 7. So start with 7 and write down all zeros as it is till you get first one. But here in case of 7, the LSB bit itself is equal to 1. Okay, so simply write down this 1 as it is. And what about remaining bits? You need to simply alter all the remaining bits, just except sign bit. We can't alter sign bit in case of 2's complement of any number if the number is negative. Okay, so here alter all bits. 1 can be represented by 0 0, then again 0, 1 1 1 and 1. So this is the 2's complement of 7. Understood? Everyone getting this concept? Here we have to perform addition of these two numbers where 7 is negative and 12 is positive. So we need to use arithmetic operations, okay, addition operations. But here for that it is not sufficient that simply alter 0 means sign bit from 0 to 1. You need to find out 2's complement of 7 first, then only you can add into 12. Understood? So here, once you get minus 7, then you can simply add 12 into that. So 12 can be represented by 0 0 0 0 and 1 1 0 0. And use now addition, arithmetic addition. 1 plus 0 1, then 0 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0. Here carry is generated. Okay, so 1 plus 1 0. Carry is generated, again 1 plus 1 0, carry is generated, 1 plus 1 0, carry is generated 0, and here 1. Okay, if carry is generated at third nibble, then just discard that carry. Discard that carry. Your answer is only these two nibbles. Okay. Now check what is the sign bit here. Sign bit of output. Tell me sign bit of output.
0.
Minus
0.
1. We have to discard this one. Okay. And we have to consider your answer only for these two nibbles. Means 8-bit binary bit.
plus
Positive.
Yes, it is 0. Your MSB bit is 0, means your answer is positive. Okay. And what is the magnitude? 0, 1, 0, 1. So, what is the equivalent decimal number of this?
5.
5.
Five.
Very good. So, it is equal to 5. And this sign bit shows it is equal to 0. 0 means positive. So, your answer is positive. Understood? Everyone getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Figure it out.
No, ma'am.
Now we'll see if your number, larger number is negative. Okay. So here plus 7 and minus 12. Then what will happen? We'll see here. Suppose 7 is positive and 12 is negative. So again here, how to represent 12 first? 12 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 and then 1, 1, 0, 0. This is the magnitude of 12. But here, instead of this 0, your sign bit is 1 because your number is negative. Okay? But this is not sufficient as you have to perform minus 12 plus 7 operation and you have to find out the value of this addition. Okay? So for that, you have to find out 2's complement of 12 first to get negative 12. Minus 12. Okay. So how to get 2's complement of 12? Again start with LSB bit. Here this is your LSB bit. Okay. And what is your shortcut method? Direct method to get 2's complement. Just write down all zeros till you get first one from left side. Okay. Means from LSB bit. This is your LSB bit. Write down all zeros as it is till you get first one. So write down this one also. Okay, so 0, 0 and first one you have to write down as it is and alter all the remaining bit except the sign bit. Okay, so alter these remaining bits. 1 should be represented by 0 and here 1, 1, 1 and just write down as it is this sign bit as the number is negative. Okay, so this is the 2's complement of 12. After getting this, you have to add 7 into the 2's complement of 12. So 7 can be represented by 7 is what? Plus 7 is it? So the sign bit is 0. Okay? And 7 can be represented by 111. After that, you have to simply perform the arithmetic addition. So 1 plus 0, 1. Again 1. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry is equal to 1. Write down 1 as it is. 1 plus 1, 1. 1, 1 and 1. Here, just see, carry is not generated here. Okay? So this is your final magnitude, right? This is your final magnitude. But you can see what is this? This is the sign of your number and number is 1. 1 means what? It is negative number. Means your result is negative. So we get right now only the sign of your result. Result is negative. If your result is negative, you have to is what you have to convert it into again 2's complement. As we have whether your sign is equal to 1 in case of this minus 12, we have to change to the 2's complement method. Now again here if you get sign bit is 1 means if carry is not generated, then you have to convert it into again 2's complement method, means original format. Okay, so again use 2's complement method procedure to get your final result. Start with LSB bit of your result. This is your result. Start with LSB bit. It is itself is equal to 1. So write down first one as it is. And what about remaining bits? Remaining bits should be altered. So 1, again 0. Here is 0. Then 1, 0, 0, 0. And don't alter the sign bit as it is. You have to put it as it is. So this is your final answer. Your final answer shows 1 as MSB bit, means your number is negative. And what is the magnitude? Magnitude is 0101, means 5. So minus 5 is the right answer. Understood? All of you getting this concept? Or any doubt you have? Yes? Everyone, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Means in case of if both numbers are positive, then simply you have to represent in positive or the sign magnitude and use arithmetic addition rules. Okay. If one of the number is negative, then you have to find out 2's complement of the negative number, and then only you can use arithmetic addition operation. Okay. And if the bigger number is positive, and here in case of one of the number is negative, then you have to check whether the carry is generated or not in case of the result. If carry is generated, then you have to just discard that carry and consider only 8-bit number. Okay, and in that 8-bit number, if the MSB bit is 0, means your number or the result is positive. No need to change it into 2's complement form. And if you get the MSB bit 1, means your result is negative. Here you have to convert it into original form as the number or as the result is in a 2's complement form. So you have to convert it into original form, and to get it into original form, again you have to use the 2's complement procedure or method. Okay, and you'll get the final answer here. Understood? Just write down this example, everyone. I'll give you 2 minutes for that. Afterward, we'll see the next concept. Once it is done, please tell me.
Ma'am, will you please example?
Yes?
Will you
Yes?
please take
It's
one more
not
example?
possible.
One more example. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Can you take it?
In which case you want one more example?
Negative and positive.
Both negative.
Negative and positive. Okay. So, the first one method is what? Your smaller number is negative, and second one method is what? Your bigger number is negative. So, which case you want to? Yes?
Ma'am, can we take both number negative?
Both negative.
Both negative. Okay. Okay. Suppose same example we'll consider here. -7, -12. Okay. So here, this is the magnitude. Suppose this is 2's complement of 12. Now we'll see the 2's complement of 7. How to represent 2's complement of 7? 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 1, 1, 1. Is it visible, everyone? Okay. And if -7 you have to represent, so instead of this 0, we need to put here 1 as a MSB bit. After that, we have to find out 2's complement of -7 here. Okay, so start with LSB bit, write down first one as it is, and remaining bits you have to alter 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 1, and don't alter this sign bit as this number is negative. Okay, so this is 2's complement of 7 and this is 2's complement of 12. So you have to simply add these two numbers. Okay, so I have yes, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Add these two numbers. 1 plus 0, 1, 0, then 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. Again 0 plus 1. Means if 3 ones are there and you have to perform addition of 3 ones, then 1 plus 1, 0, carry is generated here. Again 0 plus 1, 1. Means sum is 1, carry is 0. Okay. So here sum is 1, carry is 0. Sorry, carry is also 1. Again 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, carry is 1. 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. and here carry is generated. Okay, so discard that carry. If carry is generated, then discard that carry. Now consider your result here. Your result shows, means your MSB bit shows your sign of your number. Okay, so here this one means what? Your result. Suppose -7, -12 you have to perform. So your number result is having sign negative. It shows the MSB bit of your result. Okay, so this is your minus. After that means what? If the number is negative, then you have to again use 2's complement procedure to get it in a original form of result. So use 2's complement method again. Start with this LSB bit. If it is 1, then write down as it is, and now alter all the remaining bits. Just accept MSB bit. So 1, 0 is represented by 1, 1 is represented by 0, again this 0 is represented by 1, and remaining 2 bits are 1, 0, and only MSB bit, we don't alter that MSB bit as it shows the sign. Okay, now this is your result. Tell me the magnitude of this. What is the equivalent decimal number? Here 1 means your number is negative. Be sure about that. 1 is negative. Then just tell me the magnitude. Here 0, 0. 0, 0 is what? Here we can consider 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. Like this. Okay. So here 2 raised to 0 means 1. Okay. Plus 2 raised to 1 means 2. Plus. Now, where 1 is present in your result, 1 is present at 2 raised to 4. So, plus 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is equal to what? Tell me. 32. 2 raised to 4 means? 32 or 16?
16.
Very good. 16 means 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. 2 raised to 2 means 4. 2 raised to 3 means 8. And 2 raised to 4 means 16. So simply use here 16 and perform the addition. 1 plus 3, 3 plus 16 is equal to 19. Your answer is minus 19. And you can see say -7 -12 is equal to -19. Understood? Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Means if your number is negative, you have to just change the sign of magnitude, sign bit of your number, and then convert it into 2's complement form, and then only you can perform the arithmetic addition rules to get the result. Okay, and if you get the MSB bit of your result is 1, then your result is negative and it is in 2's complement form. To get it into original form, you have to again perform the 2's complement method and get it in the original form. Understood? Have you written this? Actually, some network issue is there. That's why it is not clear.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay. So we'll see the next concept, that is binary subtraction using 2's complement method. We'll see the next example. Shall I rub this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
The next concept is binary subtraction using 2's complement method. Suppose we'll see one example here. Binary subtraction using 2's complement. So here, suppose A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 5. Okay? A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 5. You have to perform the subtraction using 2's complement method. And here, you have to perform like this, A minus B. A minus B means what? Minus B means what? Negative minus B. Okay. So here B is equal to 5. Okay. So here we just have to convert this 5 into 2's complement of 5 first. As we have to perform A minus B. Okay. So we have to take 2's complement of B first and then simply you have to add it into A. So 5 is there. How to represent 5? Just consider the numbers are unsigned magnitude, not signed here. Okay, unsigned magnitudes are there. So 5 can be represented what? 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, and we are considering only 4-bit number here. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Just convert it into 2's complement form. Right now, convert it into 2's complement form. Start with LSB bit, copy as it is first one, and invert all the bits. That is 1, 0, 1. This is minus 5. It becomes minus 5 as it is 2's complement of 5. Okay. Now, after getting minus 5, you have to simply add it into A. And A is 1, 0, 0, 1. That is 9. Magnitude of 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now, use addition here. 1 plus 1, 0. Borrow is generated. Sorry, carry is generated. 1 plus 1, 0, carry is generated. Write down 1 as it is. And 1 plus 1, 0. And here carry is generated. There is one rule. If carry is generated at the result, if carry is generated, then your result is positive and it is in true form. Only discard that carry and take only the magnitude. Okay. So discard this carry and ignore this carry and consider only the magnitude as we are getting carry. So your result is positive. No need to convert it into 2's complement form and your result is positive. Okay. So 0, 1, 0, 0 is what? 4. Your answer is equal to 4. If you perform 9 minus 5, then you will get answer 4. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll see suppose 5 and 9 like this. 5 and 9 is there and you have to perform A minus B. And here your bigger number is negative. It becomes negative here. 5 minus 9. So how will you perform this? 5 minus 9. Simply you have to write down 2's complement of 9 first to become minus 9. Okay. How to represent 9? 9 can be represented by 1, 0, 0, 1. Then find out the 2's complement of 9. 1 as it is, LSB bit as it is, and invert all the remaining bits. This is minus 9 and then simply add 5. So 5 can be represented by 0, 1, 0, 1 and perform the addition here. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, carry 1 and here 1. See whether carry is generated or not here. Yes, carry means 5th bit of your result. Whether it is generated here?
No.
No. Here
No,
carry
ma'am.
is not generated. Carry is not generated means what? Your result is negative. Your result is, yes, your result is negative and it is in 2's complement form. It is not in true form. So to get back in true form, you need to again find out 2's complement of that result. Okay. So your number is negative. And find out 2's complement of number result. So write down all the zeros from left side till you get first one. This is your first one. So write down 1 as it is, remaining zeros as it is, and all the remaining bits, only 1 bit is there. So convert it into 0. So 0, 1, 0, 0, it is equal to 4. So your right answer is 4. After you perform 5 minus 9, you will get minus 4. Understood? Everyone getting this?
Ma'am, please repeat the last step.
हॅलो मॅम,
Yes.
आपण साइन बीट कन्वर्ट नाही करत ना?
As I said previously, don't consider this number as a sign magnitude number. These numbers are unsigned magnitude. That's why I have not represented the sign here. Okay? I have not represented the MSB bit as a sign bit. All the 4 bits I have used as a magnitude. If I am using is what if I have to use a sign magnitude, then in 4-bit number 9 is not fit. 9 cannot fit in 4-bit number, as your MSB bit is only reserved to show the sign. Only 3 bits are we can use to represent the magnitude, and the 3 bits are not sufficient to represent 9 here. Okay, understood? If I want to use sign bit or sign magnitude, then to represent 9 I need to use total 8 bits. Understood, Ashwini?
Yes, ma'am.
I have used unsigned numbers here.
Ma'am, then we can use the same technique in addition also.
Yes,
4-bit number.
we have already seen that addition. No? In case of negative number, simply we have to find out 2's complement of the negative number and add one more number into that 2's complement of negative number to get the final answer. Similarly, for subtraction also, we are using same procedure. Means what? In case of the binary numbers, we are not using the actual subtraction as we have used in the decimal number system. Okay, here we are performing or we are using the same procedure. That is addition. Is only one method to perform the subtraction using arithmetic rules. With the help of arithmetic addition, we can perform subtraction. This is only the main objective we are. Yes, one student say me that repeat the last one step. Which step you want here? I have
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Voice is breaking, ma'am.
written this 9 and I have to perform 5 minus 8. Yes,
Voice is breaking.
can you repeat it?
Voice is breaking.
Can you repeat it? Okay, okay. Okay, let it settle down first. Actually, it is shaking right now. That's why it is blur. Right now, my voice is clear.
No, ma'am.
Actually, technical issue means network issue. Is my voice clear right
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Okay. Here I have to just repeat this example. 9 is there. I have to means what? I have to perform 5 minus 9. So 5 is positive and 9 is negative. Perform the subtraction, I need to first get the 2's complement of negative number or the this subtracted number, that is 9. So
Hello, ma'am.
to find out 2's complement.
Ma'am, time.
So how to get 1001? Here I have represented it in a unsigned magnitude number. 102. Yes. येस, आता येतोय माझा आवाज? येतोय का क्लिअरली आवाज
Yes,
माझा?
ma'am.
ma'am.
ओके. Okay. So 9 is represented by 1001. Now I am audible to you. Whether my voice is clear or not? Yes?
स्क्रीन नीट नाही दिसत आहे मॅम का?
Am I audible? मला तेच सांगायचं आहे की नेटवर्क नसल्यामुळे ती blur दिसते screen.
मॅम तुम्ही स्क्रीन शेअर करता ना तेव्हा तुमचा व्हॉइस ब्रेक होतो आणि स्क्रीन ब्लर.
Just wait. Actually, I'm not sharing my screen. I have just
मॅम
on my video. Just wait. I'll change my network. Yes. Now tell me, is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Okay. So here to perform this 5 minus 9, I have to find out 2's complement of 9, not 5. As 5 minus 9, I have to perform. Okay. So find out negative number of 9, that is minus 9. To get it minus 9, we have to perform 2's complement of 9 here. So this is 0, 1, 1, 1 is the 2's complement of 9. After getting 2's complement of 9, we have to simply add 5. Magnitude of 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. Use simply arithmetic rule to get your answer. Only after getting result, there are two cases. First one case is what? If you get carry 1, then only ignore that carry and your result is positive and it is in true form. You just have to consider that as your final result. If you get carry 1. Okay, and in your second case, if you do not get carry 1, means what? Then your result is negative and your result it is in a 2's complement form. It is not in a true form. You can't consider it as your final result. To get it into a final result, you have to again convert it into 2's complement form to get a final result. So here in this case, I have not get any carry here. That's why I can see or I can say my result is negative. Okay, and to get your result in original form, you have to perform again 2's complement method. So start with LSB bit, write down all zeros as it is till you get first one. So this is 0, this is 0, that's why I have written as it is till I get first one. This is my first one. Copy down all the zeros and first one and alter all the remaining bits. Only one bit is left here, that's why I have written from 1 to 0. And this is my final result of this subtraction 5 minus 9. As I get the negative sign and magnitude is 4. That's why this is my final result. Understood? Everyone? We can take one more example here. Suppose A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 15. Suppose 12 and 15, and if you want to perform A minus B, then can you tell me how to perform? Here A is equal to, A is the smaller number and B is the larger number 15. Okay, then A is there. You have to find out 2's complement of which number, whether it is 12 or 15. Yes?
15.
15.
15. Okay. So how to represent 15? And remember, these numbers are unsigned magnitude number. So total 4-bit numbers are we can use to show the magnitude. Okay. Means on MSB bit is not used to show the negative or sign bit. So simply I have used 5 bits. 15 can be represented by this 1 1 1 1. Okay, and I have to find out 2's complement of B here. Then how will you find out? Start with 2's complement. First 2's complement. Start with LSB bit. Write down first one as it is. So I have written this one as it is, and invert all the remaining bits. Or as all the remaining bits are 1, so inverted it by 0. So this is the 2's complement of 15. After getting this, you have to simply add this 2's complement of B into A. How to represent A? A means 8, 12. 12 means what? 8 plus 4. So 1, 1 and remaining bits are 0. Understood? So here 1 plus 0, 1. Then 0, 0 plus 1, 1. And 1 plus 0, 1. So tell me your result in which case? There are 2 cases. First one case is what? If carry is generated, and second one case if carry is not generated. Your result it is in the second one case, that is carry is not generated here. So your result is true or not in true? Yes, tell me.
Not
Whether
in
your
true.
result, yes, it is not in true format. So and your result is negative. Okay. So your result is negative. We can see your sign, that is negative sign. And to get it into true form, you have to again convert it into 2's complement form. So how will you convert into 2's complement form? Write down all the bits as it, first one as it is, and invert all the remaining bits. Invert all the remaining bits. That is 0 0 1 1. Magnitude is what? 0 0 1 1 means what? 3. Decimal 3 is there. So final answer is negative 3, minus 3. And when you can perform here 12 minus 15, you'll get the final answer 3 minus 3. Understood or not?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So take one more example and consider it as your homework. Write down one example. A is equal to 24 minus 29. A minus B you have to perform and tell me what you are getting the answer. All of you written the example. A is equal to 24, B is equal to 29 and perform the operation A minus B here. Actually your time is up right now. So thank you for joining. You all of you mark your attendance. Start with roll number 1. Don't put your roll number randomly. Start with your roll number 1 to 10. Next, 11 to 20. (21 to 30). (31 to 40). 41 to 50. 51 to 60. 61 and above. Remaining students, mark your attendance and you can leave the session. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day. Complete this example